Yeah, on my way to London. So taking a bit of the sightseeing. Sometimes I'm on the bus, sometimes I'm on the train. Today I'm on the train heading for London. So I share some views with you guys on my journey. Those look like some sheep. A whole heap of land in England, you know. A whole heap of Hinterland in England. A whole heap of cow there. Them mummer. Yep. Can't see much right now still, more than some whole heap of hillside and whole heap of rocks and thing in it. But let us pause till we reach from some open place. Right, we're go through some tunnel business, you know. So it's kind of dark, you know. Don't know how long. Oh, we're back out. Yeah. Tear hills and valleys. Can't see much of, you know. Yeah, up on the field. This ride should be about 1 hour. And I just jump off one train and jump onto another train. So this final train is taking me to King's Cross. So, what a pear bush. Pear bush. Oh, see what leave a open place there. What leave a greenery and what leave a yellowy. What leave a farming a go on. Enough land in England, man. Wally Palan, Wally Palan, Wally Palan. Wally Palan, blood. Wally Palan, you can't see it. Wally Palan. Yeah. Nice. I love it. Green and pretty. So yes, people, we're up on the train, you know? So sometimes it take you through the town on the bus, sometimes it take you through the hills and valleys on the train. Yeah, it's good. And I think this train is one of the fast train them as well. So in no time, boom, without London, quicker than quick. See down there, so there, pretty whole heap of farming are going down them. And if a potato them a plant or cotton or what kind of weed or what them a plant down there. But them yellow something them, I'm not sure what them, I don't know if I what, to be honest with you. Maybe somebody oh, they might know what them yellow stuff is, but the view and the scene is just pretty, man. Yeah. Look up pass out of that bush, Beautiful. It is beautiful. This is for the people who is not living in the UK. People from the Caribbean and all different parts. So bring England to you from England. You can see what's it like. This time of year it's like spring as well, so you find a lot of things that get green up and you know, yeah, but it's beautiful. As Mota Baroka would say, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Well, as some of you guys know still, I'm a nature person, you know. So anything to do with nature, I love it, you know. So like all these countryside and all these kind of things, I love it. So if we capture these moments when we get the opportunity, yeah. Look at that. Green, pretty, beautiful. Well, this one nearly green like my grass in my garden, isn't it? But on a grass. I don't know what it is, man. Somebody might know, you know. Oh, look on them tree over there. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's pretty. That is beautiful. Watch out. That yellow something there. I don't know what if I'm maize. I don't have a clue, man. I don't know. But that's something. Somebody might can tell me what it is. Oh yeah. Capture some of nature, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, so I'm going on the other side still. I mean over the side there. You can't do move as you have a mind still by the train. For you want to see it, you have to just hold it because of the big sea restrictions and things. You can't do move up and down certain way, you get me? That's the thing, but you still get the views them still, you know. Beautiful, beautiful. Just me. Oh, this is the part now where we pass through some rocky road thing. So some big building. Yeah. And you can just imagine if the sun was out as well, it would be even prettier. You get me? If the sun was out, it would be beautiful more. But it's a bit shady today. Not that bright. So, you know, overcast type of thing. Like rain out to fall and all them kind of thing. But, you know, we see how you go on. I'm going to capture some of the beautiful scenery. So that pass on next train there. Look like the driver must have to take a break, you know, park up. Like in the pan a little break, but you know, what I go on. Something I go on there. Where them out chat to now? And somebody I get ready to talk something, you know. Okay. Beautiful. People no can't see nothing much more than woodland, you know. And greenery, you know. So at least me I bring it to you live and direct, you know. On the train. On the train going to Spain. Yeah. See there? On the train going to Spain. Warehouse and buildings and all sorts and all sorts and all sorts and all sorts. So buying a part there. The thing now with the trees that may make it dazzle your eye, you know? When you pass the trees them. But the thing is, I don't know what's ahead. So I just have do my thing. Some more leave a yellow then gone. Me mummer. But it's beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Alright. Tag one. Whoa. Say this, I wanna name. Oh, baby, I think I love you. I wanna name, hey. I miss that one, can't miss out on a beautiful scenery, man. I cannot miss these beautiful scenery. Look at them people just get ready to start plant up this, or it plant up already. That's why I wait for bus up, you know, I don't know what it is. I don't know if a onion, scallion, thyme, tomato, potato, ginger. I don't know what them is, but them a plant up. Big farm. Yeah, man. Big people thing. See what I say? Whole heap of land in England to do all kind of something, man. Trust me. Whole heap. Trust me. I feel no yet. But I just love to see the beauty, you know. And the greenery and the trees, they must spring up and everything look good and everything look nice and everything sweet. Somebody make up on fire like they must see a roast two breadfruit in a bush there. Or something. You know. Or they must see a jerk one pig or something, or you know, or do something. Take a bath. Only for container. Now where them go? I don't know. Where they are going, I do not know. Look at them, they carry all kind of things, stone and gravel and yeah. So, see which part we're there now. We're not even know which part we reach, you know. So, anyway, London we are head for. So, I mean, know which one we reach. So, we're on the train. We're going down to Spain. Awesome people. People. Unisex house. Unisex. Which part this way there now? I don't even know where we reach, you know. I'm sure say Anna London they will reach already. No sir. Couldn't reach a London topic. Nope. Never. See the people, let me give them the view them then. Bush. Too many bushes, man. Too many bush. Oh dear. Wow. Pretty. Whole heap of empty land, you know. Whole heap. Here we go again into the forest. Driving through the forest on the train. But woodland, one heap of dead tree. This look like them could have some crocodile in there, innit? One heap of chop down tree, you know, but wood like nothing. Trust me. Wood like dirt. And them tree look like some silver birch. I don't know what kind of tree them still in the bud. Then look away. My people, this is, here is some more empty land again with some whole heap of cow and whole heap of sheep and whole heap of goat and me not see no pig and a chicken. Yeah. But the view is nice and this green scenery is beautiful. And I love it. I don't care who I love it. But I love it. We have to capture these moments. For real. Yeah, man, all I can see is miles and miles and miles and miles and miles of land, empty land and farming, miles of it. And it's a whole heap of land in England, enough. Trust me. Well, land everywhere still, you get me? Saying that. Right. Alright, take a break now until when we reach inner London now, then we start the video again. Well, look at the sun down the side there still. Some buckle of rock like somebody will drink some liquor, yeah. Yeah, the sun is actually down this side, so you see the difference. When the sun is out, it's even prettier. Like I could eat some food, you know? I feel like I could eat some food. George, you know. But normally when I travel, I really tend to want to eat too much, you know, and drink too much, you know, because, you know, but now I feel it. As soon as I step off on this train, the first thing me a program is some food, something to eat, because when my body says it wants food, it have to get food. When my body says it wants sleep, it have to get sleep. Anything my body says it wants, I have to make sure I get it. Yeah. But right now, that's some food. Me a pray. Some nice houses on the south, man. I don't know what era is this, but there are some very beautiful houses and things. Yeah. Guess that's the end of it. Some houses over there, so I don't know which part of there. Coming up on the train, but all I can see some beautiful houses over there and thing. So you see, the beauty of these videos is that a lot of people take pictures and do videos still, but then I really get the opportunity to share them with people in and around the world, especially YouTubers still, because YouTubers have a lot of subscribers and thing, and they do a lot of videos, and but sometimes it's nice to show your subscribers and the people that move through your channel another side of life, another part of life, apart from just talking the same thing or talking about different thing, as well as the same different same shit in it type of vibes. So sometimes we have to just change up and make people, you know what I mean? Them something, you know, what they call them, they would win borrow it turb. I don't know what they call them sit there, but I know they must provide some electricity, I don't know what they do, to be honest. But I see quite a few of them over there, so we have 9, 10, you see over there, so let me show us a 10, 5 and that 10. By the looks of it, that 10. And I see one down there by itself. Over there, so that makes 11. I'm sure there's more. I've passed quite a few more along the way. So them something they must help to generate electric. You go see more of them. Because them are planning to cut out gas business, you know. Them are planning to cut out fluid and all kind of something. So they must have a different thing where they more use to provide electric breeze and sun and all kind of shit them plan for use, brother. But we will see. Man, I don't feel like I want to sleep sort of blouse and skirt. Probably I want to sleep, you know, got the thing about it. When me I travel as well, me I always tend to get up early. And no matter what time I travel, 5 and 6 o'clock in the evening, my man will get up around 6 o'clock in the morning and make sure so me have everything. And then when I reach up, I go, oh, me left me this, me left me charger, me left me headphone, me left me toothbrush, me left me this, me left me that. No, me I make sure check and double check and make sure so me have everything. So I make to grab my bag and move everything in me have. Yeah, so I go bed late last night too. So most likely probably because sleep. But when I reach London, you know, so that sleeping thing they're dead. Them sleeping can't go until tonight bedtime, innit? You go and reach and start chatting, and maybe 2 drinks, and the chatting and the chilling, and by a quint, boom, the time gone. You know it's what we reaching about, we are passing one place. We are passing one place. But we know so we soon reach London still, you know. We soon reach because the train here fly like your jet. Trust me, one of the fast train them. You know me always see them train here on the train line, I go me see them train here go fast, eh? But me never know some would probably sit down in one of them one at a time still. Saying that another first me I travel on train, don't get it wrong. Don't get it mixed up. But I think the first me I travel on one of them here. One here. Fast, quick, like the rocket. So nice. Also over there, so there. That's something like that what I want in England. Nice farmhouse with a big farm on it. I wish. Yeah. We are going, I don't know where we are, but the traveling people, I get roughly half an hour upon this video. So I can see what I want still. Pierre Bush, that mean, and Tech Bush, man. Yes, my people. I don't know where they're, but where there's something about. There's something about. But people, you notice on the train now, you know, normally, you have the people that come around with the trolley on the train with the coffee and the this and the that and the that, like on the plane. But because of this big sea thing now, things has changed. So you can't, you don't have to move again, you know. You can just sit down on your seat now and order your food, you know. Anything you want, you know. Just sit down, order it. See if there's something there. I don't know how it really works. You might have to scan something and something. Oh, if you have the app on your phone, something you scan and put in whatever, and then them just bring it, come and give you. That's good. That's good. This big C thing has changed a lot of things, man. As well, make some things for the good and some things for the bad. Yeah, I guess that was the whole idea of it. Changes. To make drastic changes, and it looked like it works.
Sure you take all your personal belongings with you.
Them say we have got one place when you are arriving at You'll be shortly arriving at Steelage. Soon tell you now. Soon tell you it's about me arrive. It's about me arrive, you know, this stuff there. And where them I carry was a goal. Or the goal train that. But when they carry the goal, you know. Yeah. That's soon tell you now where I reach, you know. My place name. So seat. And I see them on the side there. Oops. Maybe the name up on the other side. Oops. I don't know yet. Big, nice, pretty building there. Which side the platform? Well, I don't know if there's somewhere near London with it. so many in London, I'm not sure about that, but there's so many in London with it. Oh, see there? Stevenage. Stevenage. Yeah. So, we're near London. Yeah. And then we have some people waiting for the train. I come mostly woman I travel. I looks of it up here. Woman me shall travel, me know I'm doing man. Stevenage. 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 Yeah. Okay, we have Stevenage people. Think about. Yeah, the thing about this train as well, you know. Unlike the rest of the train them, when they move off very slow. And then just continue slow down the road for a few miles. But that one, as when they move off, you just pick up speed and just gone fast like a rocket. That's what that one affects. You know, a slow thing. You just pick up, move off, boom, high speed. So, that one is the ramping thing, you know. So, this is what I want to know, my people. Show the people, you know, I see a bit of thing. Thank you. So nice,
Hello, and welcome on board this LNER Azuma to London King's Cross.
And?
We will call at London King's Cross only.
CCTV is in operation on this service for your safety and security. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to our onboard team or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it.
So it look like then, yeah, you know, it look like the next stop now is gonna be at King Cross. People that play tennis and that kind of something. So maybe the next stop will be at King's Cross. We will find out. Because as it is, this train supposed to reach there about 13 past 1. Okay. And it was 5 past, so within the next 8 minutes, I think we should have reached there. Looks like we are. Okay, I wonder if maybe probably you have a feeling so we have to take time going to the London vibes, eh? I have a feeling that we're going into the London vibes, yeah. 35 miles an hour. Oh, that's why the train kind of slowed down a bit still, because them train are fast, you don't want to go too fast when it's near destination. I see. I just drive past, we have to figure. So I want to know. What a whole heap of bush. Pigeon the fatty. A whole heap of bush. see what's up there. Well, if a new house I go up and thing. Well, if a new house I go up. What the Ross? The train that frightened me to Ross. I want to frighten me. Mama. You frightened me. Jump on the floor. Park. By the looks of it, look at this train maybe a bit early. So they make a stop right on the roadside there. They try to keep up time because you don't know them things they go. Maybe a train have to leave out for the one that come in. So they can't rush in there. So they must just park up to kill some time, I think. What if one train just pass like while again? Friday me, you know. I will leave a stone down on the train line. That's when it's on my rotted. PS stone to the train line. Oh, I mean, often wonder how this damn something step on this two line yesterday. Now. I don't know. But it's something more often know. How this damn something managed to step on this two line and not come off. So easy. Like some magnets hold it down or something. But me often wonder still. It's just like, I wonder how this big everlasting ship up on the water and now sink so easy. And you throw a little bit of stone in there and it sink, you know. And like the plane as well. This big everlasting plane, we managed to go up there and stay up there. Only come down if something wrong. A lot of things to be wondering about. But I hear about science this and to scientific this and all kind of something and this and technology and blah blah blah. But still, I still have to wonder. I care who wonder, but me I wonder. So do it. So look like we move off now. So by the looks of it, you look like say we must here go in at the place. Walmer Green. I don't know. Just assume. I mean, I think the next stop will be that place. The King's Cross place. I think so. Yeah. Well, we will see. Everything, never get shot, never get done yourself. You have to catch down yourself. You have to catch them beautiful scenes. You have to catch them. I have to catch these beautiful scenes. And you know, the funny thing about it, you know, people, is when you're far look upon the place, my place is pretty. That's when you see the beauty of it, you know. When you actually go down in the place, you can't see it that much. That's the thing about certain things, you know. When you're far, you get a better overall picture sometimes than when you're close up. That building the whole thing, I wonder one broke down now. That one broke down. You know, I feel inside. I take time to keep up in a London place, you know. So you see, I don't like bus where you travel upon. The people who check the train regular, we know how far them is and where is the next stop and blah 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 blah. But for me, it's not a regular thing. The train is a one-off thing for me, you know. Yeah, but I can have a feeling, say, we're not too far off from the destination. Maybe, might be wrong, might be right, I don't know yet. We'll see. We shall see, but the sun is out as well. This is some nice house up in the bush them there, you know. Judge, I know. One of them would have done me well, you know. Well, you know, it look like so we must have take time reaching at this London place I still, you know. Do my thing. I feel so. I feel so. I feel so we take time reaching at this London thing, yeah. But as soon as you feel like you're coming out of town, you're going back into the woodland again. In the forest. We're going on it one tunnel, you know, again. Darkness over the land. In the tunnel, me there. Me never gone away. In the tunnel, me there. In the darkness, come on, man. What if I may get the time wrong though? And that's something past 2. Or may I say past 1. We should find out. The tunnel is another tunnel. We shall soon find out. See what I'm going down so. Alright. So well, people in the car, so I'm gonna give a little sneak preview of what it's like going to London on the train as well. For those of you, you know, so you have enough people live in England and then in London. May I tell you, no people born in England and they haven't been to London. Trust me, we know that for a fact, enough people. Me I say, what? You know born in England and know London? Well, if from Jamaica come here and go to London, much it 100 a time. And who not born here and know London? No, so. But that's understandable still, because a lot of people who born in Jamaica don't know they are for Jamaica. Right. Some people born in Portland and the forest, they know it's Portland. They don't even know St. Mary, the border. They don't know St. Thomas, the border. They don't know nowhere. So it's a possibility. People born in Portland and never go Kingston yet. Never go Kingston yet. Not Ochi. Not Mobile. And yeah, people come from foreign and go to them places till they're tired. So that's why you go still. I understand why you go still. I understand how it goes. And then again, if you don't have reason to go one place, where you go there for as well? Why go there? You have a reason, do not go there. So it look like say I reach the plan to reach another video. I go long, but the journey is long, so the video will be long. But at least you have something you can sit down and watch it. Can't nice video. Entertain you. You see all kind of building, all kind of place, all kind of house, all kind of empty land, all kind of thing. You see, the thing is, as well, if it was Jamaica and you're driving on a train, instead of seeing a whole heap of woodland and a whole heap of empty field with farming, you will be seeing a lot of beaches instead. Yeah. So England have farming land and woodland for sure. Jamaica have beaches. That's how it works. There's some nice house and things still, very nice houses. Judge I know. Hey, look, I wish one reach out, man. Which one reach? Which one reach? Which one reach? Which one reach? It's like how some people are lining up themselves and thing, you know. I get ready, you know. So, by the looks of it, it looks like say 41 minutes. That's a long time, man. Yeah, so everybody I get up and I get ready, you know. So the guys I just won't reach where I go. People are pack up them bag and all kind of sitting, you know. But yeah, looks like it. It's okay. Georgia. Oh, sleep to mothers. Looks like the sun is gonna shine for you. This video is gonna be a long video. I know where we reach out. Right over damn through where we reach. Me not have a clue, me not have a clue. So yes or no? Don't they know it's the end of the world? Oh, I think I have like a clippings, you know, when we come off of the train as well. Yeah. Man, we must want to reach where we are going, you know, yeah, man. If we not reach now, we not reach again, you know. Judge, you know. If we not reach now, we not reach again, brother. And me feel hungry, you know. I'm tired for sit down on my backside, you know, on this train, you know. I food more for, you know. Something in my stomach. Judge, you know. Okay, you guys say we are rich in London, you know, London, we are rich people. Emirates Stadium, Arsenal Stadium, see there?
We will shortly be arriving
See
at
stadium there?
London King's Cross,
See
where
stadium
we
there?
finish our journey today.
See stadium there? See Arsenal left, Eva? Yeah. Yeah.
Please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you.
No, we don't take them, we are left them with you. Backside. People.
Thank you for travelling with LNER.
LLER, thank you for traveling with LLER, people. See there? You're gonna have your London, like you've never seen it before. Yeah. Where this a train I go? Like you going on, you know, one wall. Please travel with London LLER. Look like so. What time for we jump off of this one here? The underneath is dark, everlasting place now. Oh, yeah. I don't know all over there. The mummer. that ever run the wire them on the train line. Them people that them get big money, you know. Trust me. For them money tall. Tall. So them will put wire ways to go up all about there. Trust me. You wonder how them man they know which way I have to go. Where to the amount of wire rasta. You know, me so me see all the work, me I look on the building where they run wire all about me say, how the hell they manage to connect up the wire for their work, man. But engineers and people know what them I do, you get me? Poor me, you don't know nothing. They look hard to me. But to them, easy. I know want some food, you know. People don't make you come out by train there, man. I make you train go which part it go. I mean, no, sorry, that London, you know, still, but boy. See a big old red bus there. And there is King Cross. People take video. People take up a picture, but paparazzi them out today. I think I'm here alone. Okay. Well, by the looks of it, we are about to come off of this train, you know, people. It look like we have reached, you know. It look like so we ought to come off of this train. Yeah. Get me stuff them organized. Yes, I'm off. I'm off of this. I'm off of this train. But you know, sir, remember come other section there yet, you know. The people. Enough people come off of the train, you see them? Can't show people face, but can't show feet. We can show people's feet, but not their actual body section. So, we need to find a way out of this place now, as well, to rust the face.